The Hardworking Bee's Adventure. In a big green meadow full of colorful flowers, there lived a little bee named Bella. Bella was always busy. Every day she flew from flower to flower, collecting nectar to make honey for her hive. She loved working and never wasted time. One bright morning, as Bella was carrying nectar back to her hive, she heard a small voice calling for help. She followed the sound and found a tiny grasshopper named Gary trapped under a big dry leaf. "Don't worry, Gary. I will help you," Bella said. She pushed and pulled the leaf with all her strength. After a few tries, she managed to lift it just enough for Gary to crawl out. "Thank you, Bella. I thought I would never get out," Gary said happily, shaking the dust off his little green legs. As they talked, Gary told Bella about a secret garden at the far end of the meadow. "The flowers there are bigger and the nectar is the sweetest," he said. Bella was curious. She always worked near her hive, but she had never explored the far side of the meadow. So she decided to take a short break and go with Gary to find the secret garden. Their journey was full of challenges. First, they had to cross a small but fast-flowing stream. Bella helped Gary fly over it by holding onto his tiny legs. Then they had to go through a dark and narrow tunnel made by tall grass. It was a little scary, but they stayed close together. Finally, they climbed over a big rock where they met a wise old beetle. "The secret garden is just beyond this rock," the beetle told them. "But be careful. A big lizard lives nearby." Bella and Gary moved forward carefully. Suddenly, they saw the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. There were bright red, yellow, and purple flowers everywhere. The air was full of a sweet smell, and the nectar was indeed the best Bella had ever tasted. "This is amazing," Bella said excitedly. "I'm so happy I came here." Gary smiled. "Sometimes you find the best things when you take a little break from work," he said. After enjoying the garden, Bella and Gary returned to the meadow. Bella told the other bees about her adventure. She learned that while working hard was important, taking time to explore and make new friends made life even more wonderful. Moral of the story: hard work is important, but sometimes taking a break and exploring can bring great happiness and new experiences.